Welcome everyone to new log. In this video we are traveling in train from Swindon to London Bridge. In between we have to change two station changes. Now we are at Swindon Station. From here we are going to catch Great Western Railways and heading towards Paddington Station. From Paddington Station we have to catch Elizabeth Lane to Farringdon Station. From Farringdon Station we have to catch Thameslink towards the London Bridge. That's the last station to get down. Our train Great Western Railways arrived. Come with us, let's experience the train travel.
Train on platform B is westbound, calling at Tottenham Road and Paddington. Change at Paddington for connections further west to Reading and Heathrow.
लिफ्ट का वो इंडिकेशन मिडिल फ्लोर में
The middle one. You see there. Southbound, right?
प्लेटफॉर्म 3 Thameslink
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate.
London Bridge, East Croydon, Hurley, Walthamstow South, Burston, Redhill, Earlswood, Salford, Hawley, Gatwick Airport, Three Bridges, Crawley.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Finally, we reached the London Bridge station. Hope you all enjoyed with us with this train travel. So friends, after or before booking the tickets, you have to check the stations from where to where you are going and how many changes you have to change the stations and all. If you have any doubts, please do comment below, or you can ask in the station. They will explain you in detail. Overall, traveling in train was a very good experience. You can travel very fast from station to station. From London Bridge station, it's near and it's walkable distance to London Bridge. So we are going to the London Bridge and experiencing inside the London Bridge. And please do watch our next video, and I hope you all enjoy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇ ಗೇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಫೈನಲಿ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Bye, see you in the next video.